DoMyOwn.com Pest Control had outgrown their existing space and needed to expand to cater to support their increasing sales. Our team had the opportunity to increase their throughput, free up floor space, introduce automated tasks, and relocate their operations. Our team even helped in the process of selecting a new facility. We brought in our engineers to evaluate the new space and design a system that would achieve their goals before they committed to a lease. Once a lease was signed, our in-house installation team completed the mechanical and controls portion of the project inside the new facility from start to finish. We interfaced a new software with their pre-developed e-commerce and shipping software to allow all new and existing systems to work together. DoMyOwn.com received a tailored system that addressed major bottlenecks in their workflow to allow an increase in employee efficiency, floor space, and order accuracy. We installed a Cognex scanner to sort units by shipping carrier. Automatic print and apply stations. An automatic carton erector to support packing stations. And scale stations with sortation for any items that were incorrectly packed.